How to clear your Google search and browser history in Android in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your Google app, and then you have to click on the more button in the uh, bottom right corner, and then you have to click on the more, and then here you can see that you have to click on the search history. And then when you click on the search history, you this page is loading, and then you come to this page, and here you can see the you can delete the auto delete in. You can also choose the auto delete by 3 months, and your all the search history when it then after 3 months all the search history is your deleted. And if you want to individually delete your search history, then what you have to do is you have to go to your search history. Here you can see, and then you have to click on the cut button, and then and then here you can see the and then what you have to do, if you want to delete all the days search history, then you have to go to the firstly those particular day, and then here you can see the in the upper cut option. You can see that when you click on the upper cut option, then the search history of those particular day is deleted. So that's it, that how you can delete your search history. And you can also delete by the delete all time. You can also select the delete all time. So that's it, that how you can delete your search history, search and browser history in your Google account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment, let me know in the comment that it works. Have a good day.